friends! This is Irago and welcome to another vlog. For today, I am going to share with you my favorite purchases this 2024. So these are items na tech, beauty, skincare, fashion, and since it's the holiday season, I hope you get gift ideas if you are or you know someone who's looking for the same items that I'll be sharing. So let's start! First item on the list is this Bang & Olufsen portable speaker in Bio Sound Explorer. So this come in different colors. Merong navy blue, merong gray, merong black, and then there's green. Syempre, green yung kinuha ko since it's my favorite color. Tapos, nabili ko siya sa Japan nung nagpunta kami last February for like 8,000 plus pesos, almost 9,000. Actually, guys, mura na siya kasi if you're gonna buy this here in Manila, ang presyo talaga niya sa market is nasa 18,000 pesos, halos doble. Talagang grabe, nagulat din ako sa spike nung price nitong Bio Sound Explorer. What I like about it is it's waterproof, it's dustproof. Tapos it's made for outdoors talaga. But mas ginagamit ko siya sa indoors kapag nasa kwarto or nasa bahay. And sobrang powerful talaga ng tunog nito, guys. Promise, I swear. Kasi ang liit-liit lang niya, pero yung tunog niya, parang feeling mo may surround system ka sa bahay. Ganung level na I even had to let go of my Marshall Emberton 2. Meron akong ganung speaker before. Sabi ko, na-compare ko kasi talaga yung quality ng sound na lumalabas dun sa dalawa. And ako, personal preference ko lang naman, mas ito na lang yung pinili ko. And binenta ko yung isa kasi hindi ko rin naman kailangan ng doble-dobleng speaker sa bahay. I highly recommend this one. Although, if makikita nyo guys, nagkaroon lang siya ng small dent dito sa part na to. Kasi nung early this year, nagpunta kami ng La Union ng family ko. Yung mother ko, hiniram niya tong speaker na to kasi gusto niya rin. Tapos sabi niya, anak, pahiram nga ako. E di syempre, nasa La Union kami, lakad-lakad siya, ganyan. For some reason, siguro nadali niya to somewhere. Tapos nagkaroon ng dent and kakabukas ko pa lang. As in, sobrang, Mami, bakit? Diba? Bakit ganon? I had to call yung Bang & Olufsen branch sa Power Plant Mall. Sabi ko, sir, baka naman po nagre-repair kayo ng dent kahit kulayan na lang or something. But apparently, hindi na pala siya covered ng warranty. So, well, yeah, ganun lang talaga. Kailangan yung ingatan. But, okay, gumagana siya and it still does the job. So, I'm not letting this one go. So, next item on the list is this Owala tumbler na nabili ko sa Singapore when we went last March for the Eras tour. So, nabili ko siya sa Paper Bunny na store. And what I like about it is yung free sip feature niya. So, ang gusto ko talaga sa kanya, yung color niya. Yan, multicolor siya. Tapos, yung free sip feature. So, yeah, I really find this helpful. Dala ko to anytime, anywhere. Talagang dala ko siya kahit saan ako magpunta. I'm not sure, guys, if available na sa mga local stores itong Owala. Pero alam ko may mga resellers on Instagram. Maybe meron ding mga nagbebenta sa Blue app and Orange app. So, you can check that out. So, Owala tumblers may range from siguro 2,000 plus pesos to 3,000. Pero if you have promotion or promo codes, vouchers, I'm sure you can get this for a cheaper price. Third item on the list is this Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. So, I only learned about this year. And I think it's one of the best I've tried so far. It reminds me of the Biore sunscreen. But eto, sobrang ganda lang talaga niya. And it's available on Rustans. You can check that out. It has SPF 40 and it's matte. So, for some reason, guys, it works well on my skin kasi, di ba usually pag matte yung consistency ng product, it's meant for oily skin. But in my case, I'm combination to dry skin. It blends well pa rin naman sa skin ko. Tapos, ang ganda niya kasi it also serves as a primer bago ako maglagay ng foundation or concealer. So, yeah, ito talaga, guys, gamit na gamit ko na to. So, yung first tub ko nito, guys, nabili ko siya sa Rustans. And then, yung second naman, nabili ko na sa Blue app. So, yeah, it's readily available here in the Philippines. So, if you're looking for a good sunscreen na can also serve as your primer or your base bago ka mag-makeup, then I highly recommend this Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen with SPF 40. Next item on the list is this Pollen Sim Mini na bag. So, yan. Sobrang favorite ko siya, guys, kasi it just goes well with everything. Kahit mag-shorts ako, mag-pants, mag-skirt, mag-dress, parang hindi siya namimili. Ito yung bag na sobrang versatile na kahit anong suot mo, talagang may elevate niya yung look. 'Di ba, guys? Sobrang cute. This one naman, pinasabay ko lang to sa friend ko nung nagpunta siya sa Paris. Kasi sabi niya, girl, nandito ako sa France, may gusto ka bang ipasabay? And I know na mas mura talaga ang pollen pag binili mo sa Europe. Kasi dito sa Philippines, if you're gonna buy it from the resellers, siguro it would range ng 28 to 30,000 pesos, mga ganon. Minsan, depende pa kung malaki sila magpatong. But, yeah, hindi ako willing, guys, to spend 30,000 for a pollen bag. So, nagpasabay na lang ako sa Paris dun sa friend ko. And I only got it for 21,000 pesos. So, di ba, guys? Ang laki talaga ng tipid. If you are someone na sobrang gustong maraming ilagay sa bag, then this might not be the best bag for you. If gusto mo lang ng mini bag na can fit all your everyday essentials, then go for the Pollen Sim Mini. So, next item on the list is this Gentle Monster Sunglasses Enhancer. So, guys, ito siya. Yeah, it's so nice. This one naman, nabili ko rin to sa Singapore, sa Gentle Monster doon. And, alam nyo, guys, ang masasabi ko lang, pag tumatanda ka na talaga, mas gusto mo na lang mag-invest sa mga bagay na although a bit expensive, but alam mong tatagal sa'yo and the quality is top-notch. So, I think this is one of the items na I have na talagang hindi ako manghihinayang kasi gamit na gamit ko talaga siya, guys. So, if you're looking for quality sunglasses na worth your money, I highly recommend Gentle Monster. So, yeah, guys, gift ideas for yourself, for your loved ones, romantic partner, friends, family. Go na, guys. As in, sulit talaga to. Next item on the list is this Sol de Janeiro Perfume Mist. So this one naman, nabili ko siya sa Mecca in Sydney, Australia. Nalaman ko siya from my best friend kasi nagpasabay siya sa akin. Sabi niya, girl, can you buy me Sol de Janeiro, yung number 62, kasi curious daw siya ron sa smell. So ito yung pinabili niya sa akin, yung pistachio na may salted caramel. And then nung inamoy ko siya dun sa store, sabi ko, oh my God, ang bango! Ang bango talaga! As in, promise. Ang bango. As in, alam mo yung kung ayaw mong gumamit ng high-end perfume for everyday, tapos gusto mo lang maging mabango for everyday, then, guys, eto yun, 62. As in, mag-aamoy masarap ka talaga. Ganong level. Meron naman akong 68. So, si 68 naman, medyo, siya, parang jasmine na may dragon fruit, ganon. Ganon ang amoy nito. Don't want to use your high-end perfumes for everyday kasi kunwari may bank errands ka or you just want to go to the grocery but you still want to smell nice, then I highly recommend itong Sol de Janeiro Perfume Mist. Ayun. Hindi nga lang siya sobrang tumatagal, guys, Hindi katulad ng mga oil-based perfume. Siguro it would last me mga pretty 5 hours. Parang okay na rin naman. Next item on the list is this Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. I've been using this since 2022 and hanggang ngayon ginagamit ko pa rin siya. So, recurring purchase na talaga to. And sinama ko talaga siya sa favorite purchases ko this year kasi this is just simply the best. Ito yung ginagamit ko after ko mag-facial wash, bago ako mag-sunscreen. And take note, guys, I have combination to dry skin and sobrang namomoisturize niya talaga yung skin ko. So, yeah, it's affordable. It's available in your local drugstore. Meron ito sa Watsons. So, yeah, I highly recommend this Nivea Soft. Ito, yan. Hindi ko na rin mabilang na kung nakailang tub na kami. Sa sobrang ganda nito, pati mga kapatid ko, nabudol ko na rin sa ganito. Yan. Ito na rin ang ginagamit nilang moisturizer. Pare-parehas kami. On to the next product, we have this Shiseido Concealer. So, as someone na mahilig sa makeup, guys, I'm not the expert, but I love makeup. And na-try ko na yung mga different concealers out there like NARS, Dior, and for some reason, bumabalik-balik pa rin talaga ako sa Shiseido. Ito, guys, matagal ko na tong ginagamit. Siguro college pa lang ako, ginagamit ko na tong Shiseido na to. Ayan, ang liit-liit niya lang, 'di ba? Akala mo mabilis yan maubos. Hindi, binili ko to April of 2024 and as of shooting this video, it's already December. Guys, meron pa ring laman, as in, promise. Ganyan siya kasulit. And ang gaganda lang talaga ng mga Shiseido products kasi parang they're meant for Asian skin, no? So yeah, I super love Shiseido products. They're the best. Next item on the list is this JML curling iron. So this one, meron din to sa Watsons, pero nabili ko yung sa akin sa SM Department Store. And siguro mga ano siya, nasa 3,000 plus pesos. And what I like about this is, hindi siya yung mga typical curling iron guys, na pag hinawakan mo, mapapasok ka. Sobrang anti-pasok tong curling iron na to. And then, how I use it is ganyan. So hindi siya nakasaksak, pero i-demo ko na lang din ha. So ganyan, 'di ba? Ayan. If you click this one, then mag-o-open din siya. Ayan. I'm not sure if you can see. Ganyan. So ilulusot mo lang yan. Igaganyan mo. Tapos if gusto mong depende sa kulot na gusto mo, ikutin mo lang na ganyan. Then automatic na yun. As in, magkukulot na talaga siya. This is my curling iron. Sobrang gusto ko to guys kasi nadadala ko siya kahit saan ako magpunta. Hindi kasi siya sobrang mabigat. Very portable lang. Tapos it's from the brand JML. Actually, I love JML products kasi yung blower ko, JML din yun. And grabe, sobrang tibay. Tapos, ang cute pa ng color niya, 'di ba? White and black. O, 'di ba? Hindi ko pa ma-justify bumili ng Dyson, guys, for blower and pangkulot kasi masyadong mahal yung Dyson. So, I'm really okay with JML kasi it does the job naman. For our last item, we have the Nivea Extra Bright Lotion. Guys, ito yung favorite lotion ko. Ito yung ginagamit ko everyday. And sobrang bango nito, promise. Tapos, hindi siya malagkit sa skin. So, sa sobrang favorite ko, ito yung maliit, guys. Meron din akong malaki nito. Yeah. As in, gamit na gamit. Ito, paubos na. Ito, yan. Ito yung iniiwan ko sa bahay or sa condo. And then, ito naman, pag sa bag. Yan. Kasi, di ba, small lang siya. Syempre, you want to protect your skin from the UV rays of the sun. So, I really put this on every time na lalabas ako ng bahay. Minsan, kahit hindi ako lumalabas ng bahay, naglalagay pa rin talaga ako ng lotion. Kasi, ang bango niya, tapos wala siyang lagkit factor. And it's readily available in our local drugstores sa Watsons. Meron ito. And, hindi naman din siya sobrang mahal. If you're looking for a lotion na mabango at hindi malagkit, then, go for this Nivea Extra Bright. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, show some love by liking and subscribing to my channel, and I hope to create more fun and informative videos like this in the future. See you on the next one, guys!